Friends, in this pandemic of COVID which we are passing through, it's not such that we cannot get a hair transplant done. With proper care, precautions, and proper knowledge, we can have a hair transplant in the times of COVID also. So, I'll be elaborating it in three or four headings. At a clinic, we take some general precautions like when a patient enters our clinic, we first will take the temperature, usually by hand or forehead. Another thing, we sanitize our patient, each and every patient entering our clinic with hypo. Thirdly, we ask our patients to wear a double mask. If they are not with a double mask, we give an extra mask to them. All our staffs are wearing double masks, so is the doctor. We maintain social distancing whenever there are patients. A patient is made to wait until the other is having a consultation with the doctor. So there is only one patient with the doctor in the times of COVID. After a patient leaves the clinic, the whole area and the place where the doctor and the patient were sitting and having consultation is sanitized with hypo. There are some special precautions also, such as if a patient is coming to our clinic from somewhere outside the city, or there is definitely a provision of an antigen test at our clinic. If we think like that, or the patient thinks like that, that he should be tested for COVID for any of the reasons in the doctor's mind or the patient's mind, they are given a rapid antigen test which will help us diagnosing the patient and which will help us take us our further course. Another thing is this: we never operate a patient until and unless we get RT-PCR test done for the patient who is to reach our OPD. Next thing is this, that all our staff is tested once in a 15 days for RT-PCR, and all the staff as per the government rules has taken 2 doses of COVID vaccines. We also take care that the patient who are coming to our clinic should be propagated and should be initiated to take COVID vaccines, and those who complete with their COVID vaccinations and then come to the clinic, we give them a concession of 1,000 rupees. Most of all, the best thing is this, that all our staff is vaccinated. So is the doctor, and whosoever patients enters our OT should be sure that he is entering a COVID safe area, as because the patient who has entered the OT prior to him has already been tested of RT-PCR. So take your time, think about a good hair transplant for yourself. Don't go to clinics who are not COVID aware and not COVID safe. My best wishes to you, best wishes to whole of the lot for having a very nice and a COVID-free life, COVID-free hair transplant. I thank you for listening to me. Thanks from Sai Cosmetics.